Welcome to the mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to solve another interesting integral. Integral from 0 to infinity. Arctan of 3 times x minus arctan of 9 times x over x with respect to x. Okay, how to begin? First I am going to take this integral is equal to I, and now I am going to define a function. So if we take f of a is equal to integral from 0 to infinity arctan of, here we know arctan of 3 times x over x, and here minus arctan of 9x over x. Therefore I am going to take arctan of a times x over x dx. Well, now I am going to take a derivative. So if we differentiate with respect to a, here this side we know f dash of a, and this side we can write 0 to infinity partial derivative with respect to a. Here arctan of ax over x dx. Okay, then we know derivative of arctan of ax with respect to a, here 0 to infinity 1 over 1 plus x square times x square, and we know this x get cancelled because here x is a constant. So here dx. Okay, now if we differentiate this, we know here 1 over a arctan of ax, 1 over a arctan of ax, limit from 0 to infinity. Now if we plug in infinity here, we know pi over 2. If we plug in 0, 0, so we know this is equal to pi over 2 times a. Now we know f dash of a is equal to pi over 2 times a. Okay, then now we can find f of a. So if we take integration, so this side f of a, now we are going to integrate in this side. So integral sign pi over 2a with respect to a. Okay, then we know pi over 2 is a constant, so we can write outside of the a. Here integral of 1 over a, we know natural log of a, so we can write f of a is equal to pi over 2 natural log of a plus constant, so c. Okay, now I'm going to take this equation is number 1. Okay, then we know f of a, sorry, here f of a is equal to 0 to infinity arctan of ax over x dx, and if we take f of 1, we know f of 1 is equal to 0 to infinity arctan of x over x dx, and f of 1, here we know f of a is equal to pi over 2 natural log of a. So here we need to f of 1, so f of 1 is equal to pi over 2 natural log of 1 plus c, but we know natural log of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 0 to infinity arctan of x over x dx is equal to c. Okay, now we found the constant c here. Now from equation number 1 we can rewrite again. So here f of a is equal to pi over 2 natural log of a plus here c. So c is equal to 0 to infinity arctan of x over x dx. Okay, then we know our integral I is equal to, we can write 0 to infinity here arctan of 3 times x over x. So arctan of 3 times x over x dx minus 0 to infinity arctan of 9 of x over x dx. Well, now we know this is equal to f of, we know f of a is equal to 0 to infinity arctan of ax. So f of, we know here 3, so f of 3 minus here 9, so f of 9. Okay, now we know f of 3 we can write using this formula, this equation. So here pi over 2 natural log of 3 plus 0 to infinity arctan of x over x dx minus now f of 9. So f of 9 we can write pi over 2 natural log of 9 minus 0 to infinity arctan of x over x dx, and now we know this integral get cancelled, and now we can simplify this. Here pi over 2 natural log of 3, here pi over 2 natural log of 3 is cos, so 2 pi over 2 natural log of 3, and we know this is equal to minus pi over 2 natural log of 3. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.